Welcome back to the MSU Assessment channel. This video is part of the SPOL Assessment Platform tutorial series and is brought to you by the Institutional Assessment Team at Murray State University. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to cancel the assessment plan or report submission for an academic program. Let's get started. From the SPOL homepage, make sure you selected the correct academic year from the Planning or Reporting Year drop-down menu. Then, click the Assessment module icon. From the Assessment sidebar, click the All Assessments link. You should be redirected to the All Assessments by Program page. Then, select the name of the program to cancel its corresponding submitted plan or report. For this example, we will use the Underwater Basket Weaving Dummy program. Once redirected to the Program Details page, click the Reviews tab. Next, click the UAC Annual Program Review lane. Then, choose the Program-Assessment Plan lane if you're canceling a plan submission. Or choose the Program-Assessment Report lane if you're canceling a report submission. For this example, we are canceling a submitted plan. From the Response window pane, click the drop-down menu and select Undo Approval. Confirm the action by clicking Yes. And there you have it. You just canceled the submitted plan or report. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to MSU Assessment YouTube channel for more helpful tutorials and updates. Or contact us at msu.assessment@murraystate.edu if you have any questions. For more information about Outcomes Assessment at Murray State, please visit our website by clicking the About link in the description box below. Happy assessing, and go Racers!